Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to color code Excel cells based on value. Okay, now select the cells, go to Home tab, contextual formatting, and select data bars, gradient fill color, select your fill color or solid color. Select the solid color and select gradient. Oh, sorry, gradient and select your color scale and select your color scale color. I select this first and again color scale and select your color scale color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.